Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover exception handling. Let's begin. In the first program, I am going to cover exception handling introduction. Problem that occurs during program execution is called exception. The code which handles exception is called exception handler. Exception code should be placed between try block. I am performing division operation with denominator as 0, which causes division by 0 exception. Try block must be followed by catch block, which handles the exception. We can display message by using getMessage method, or using toString method, or using printStackTrace method. We can have 0 or more catch blocks. Try block is followed by finally block, which will execute irrespective of whether there is exception or not. There can be maximum one finally block. In the next program, I am going to cover catching multiple type of exception. In the previous program, instead of having two catch blocks, we can have single catch block, which catches multiple type of exceptions. In the next program, I am going to cover throwing exception. I have imported IO exception from java.io package. If a method is throwing error, it should specify it is throwing error using throws keyword. We can create throwable object for subclass of throwable class, like IO exception, and we can throw the object. Or, we can create throwable object, and throw it in one statement. In the next program, I am going to cover custom exception. I have created class called custom exception, which extends exception class. And I have created constructors with different parameters, which calls constructor of superclass exception using super keyword. In the main method, I have created throwable object for custom exception class inside try block to throw exception. Inside catch block, I am calling the getMessage method and assigning the value to string message and displaying the message. In the next program, I am going to cover initCause and getCause method. I have created method called division, which throws exception with try block to perform division operation. Catch block, which creates object for arithmetic exception class, initializes the cause using initCause method, and throws exception. In the main method, I am calling the division method within try block and displaying the cause by calling the getCause method inside catch block. In the next program, I am going to cover exception rethrowing. I am throwing the exception from method 2, which will be caught in method 1, which I am rethrowing from method 1, which will be caught in main method. And I am displaying printStackTrace in catch block of main method. In the next program, I am going to cover try with resources block. If we open a resource in try block, resource will be closed automatically at the end of block. I have created try block, which opens file reader resource, reads the characters from file, and displays the text on terminal. File reader resource will be closed automatically at the end of block. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy eBook on Java Program Interview Questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon, so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.